Lo perlak banyak video live sengaja dikecat layar armu deh ayo ngedin adang emi sedang pun hari tu guys sanggong pi mana poh tadat penyun ni pi mo
Tungi bakal tublang ya kejingdap atusan snem jong kejingya dan ti jungi kum pilgrim jong kejingkermen lang ba kekenhun KBB bad hagejo kesni kam kesnem jubili mata snem ni pelong ro ke jubili na ke benta ti katekis Utrayon don ring kat bat pi Kajing pulay nag-gospel bakoy, kat kumulukas. Kata kapor, ipat ba belin kilayat lang baru Jisu, de ulapai bat ulaong haki. Lada uno wan senga, bat isi yala upa bat yala kekini, yala ketengah bat yala kikun, yala kihanan kipara senrang bat kentai, hoi bat wat yala kecingiem, la banlong usenran jonga. Jar ubamba yala gading kena batbut nadin jonga la banlong usenran jonga naba uno napi ubamut bantei ya kekut uban omsyong shua ban keng ya kejinglut jingsep ladau don kat ban biang ban pendet ya ka lamda kumta enda ulaseng ya kadong rim bat la ban pendap baro tibayo iya kata kin sedang ban kebeng yau da keboong leu breu ula sedang bante hendrei la ban pendap lane uno usiem ubalait yale ma persya ya weipat usiem uban omsyong shua bat ya mirjing mut lada ula da kisipeu hajar ngut ban ya aireng ban uta ubawan tur persya u uda ki arpeu hajar ngut lada snyula kat ba uta weipat udang don syajngai ba unpa kinong lamtin ban ya kendu yu bat ban pensuk keju berukom uno napi ubam no lut kat kebau don la banlong usim jonga ka gospel jong utrai ajinya roya me go kre kentang ya kecing terwa
ukpu berkawan sya kemet berkesnam jong Kris nang ba gitu wa shimenta ha ke Eucharis berkoi induk kelalong kawai ha kemet bat ha kemesim ha u kumta dengan kerpa ipi kipa jong blai panjing don ako don burom pada keba pelai cingun
da sisya milang ubakut kotrai bagadai hok babara kibam lathau kinyaro yame namar lang ba kun jong me utrai jungi Jesu Christ Dagabor bagajing tray jong metsim bakhoy me ai jing im bat me pengkhoy pen kentang ike baro bat mem ju sange bandum halide yalau pai nang badado mi hado basep kesngi enterwa ya kenya ke khiam bakhoy sya ke kerteng jong me namar kata ko trai ngi kerparit yame badau jo mensim men sobha ban pengkhoy ya gene gijing ai kebangi wanra banduk pen kentang yaki bakin kelalong kamet batkasnam jong utrai jungi u Jesu Christ ubala hukum yangi banpen menta ya kini kijimaya namar mauhi hakame balai no yo ula chim ya upu lagabaingo yame lagaku ladwai lagdia bala ai lagisendra nuang to chim batobam nagani pi baro namar kani kalong kamet janga ya kaban IT na kabenta jongki akajo korukam dalayabam lasim ya kurit bagdaba aingo yame ladwai kurku bala ya lagi sendra nuang Toshim batodi nagane pi baro namar kane kalang kakuri jong kasnan jonga jong jutang batmai batbam jukun ya kabantmi na kabantai jong pi na kabanta ki babun na kabanta ki cingma ya ki pom tole yagane bankan mau yanga Kajing maya jong kajing
I report that in the diocese of Hawaii, we are each trying to build the body of Christ because and we all are part of that body of Christ. In my hand, there is a pain. That pain is experienced by my whole body. That means every grandparent person has the role to contribute to build this body of Christ, the church. And basic Christian community is the best platform we can say that we can contribute to building up this body of Christ. In this basic Christian community, we come together, we build up our relationships. We become one in our faith. We become part and parcel of our neighborhood. So basically the community is the church in the neighborhood. And this church grows to the full when we all collaborate, irrespective of our language, irrespective of our gender, irrespective of our culture. We all unite together to build this body of Christ. I am greatly happy and delighted to be part of this celebration, to see the wonderful things that are happening here in this part of the region. Summer training program. We need to grow in our faith and become true believers. A person who Let us manage the fruit of this celebration, the sacrifice